In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Davinci Resolve run faster. By the end, you'll know a few quick adjustments that make your timeline feel smoother without sacrificing the quality of your final export. First, launch Davinci Resolve from your desktop. Give it a moment to load, then either open an existing project or create a new one. It doesn't matter which you choose for these tweaks. They're all about improving how the timeline plays back while you edit. Once your project is open, head to the top menu and go to Playback. From there, click Timeline, Playback, Resolution. This controls how detailed your viewer needs to be while you work. Select half resolution or quarter resolution. Dropping the playback resolution lightens the load on your computer, so scrubbing, trimming, and previewing feel much more responsive. The key thing to remember is that this only affects what you see while editing. It will not change the resolution of your final export, so you can edit smoothly and still deliver at full quality later. If you're editing in 4K, but you know you'll export in 1080p, go to Project Settings. In the window that opens, click Master Settings. Set your timeline resolution to 1920x10 and 80. Working in a 1080p timeline reduces the number of pixels Resolve has to process as you cut, which can significantly speed up playback, effects previews, and transitions. If you need full 4K again just before your final render, you can switch the timeline back to 3840x2162. This approach lets you keep the creative flow going during the edit and bring back full detail only when you truly need it. For an extra boost while you're refining timing, click the Bypass Color Grades and Fusion Effects icon above the viewer. It looks like a small magic wand. This temporarily disables heavy processing, things like color corrections and node-based effects, so you can focus on cuts, pacing, and audio sync without stutter. It's a toggle, so turn it on to speed through your edit, and turn it off when you're ready to review color and effects again. Just like the playback resolution change, bypassing grades doesn't affect your final output. It simply pauses those processes during preview. That's it. Launch Resolve, open or start a project, lower the timeline. Playback resolution. Adjust your timeline resolution if you're exporting 1080p, and use the magic wand to bypass grades and fusion effects while you cut. Make these changes as needed throughout your session, and you'll notice a much smoother editing experience without compromising your final render quality.